How to change message font on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Color Text application on your phone. This application allows users to customize the appearance of their text messages, including the color of the text bubbles, fonts, and backgrounds within the messaging interface. These apps offer various customization options to personalize the messaging experience, allowing users to express their style or match their preferences. Once you're here, go to the colored text bar above and type in any message. And then, tap on the font icon below as shown. You can view and try out all the available font styles from here. Select the one that you like and then tap on the Send button. Here, type in the name of the person you want to send the message to. After that, tap on the arrow button below to send the message. You have now successfully sent the message to this person. Go back and open the Messages app to view it. Following these steps, you can easily change message font on iPhone.